I'm David Slater and I'm the Managing Director of Spaces Sheffield Limited, which is a property development company based in the East End of Sheffield. We own and let offices, workspace, and we are very much involved in the regeneration of the East End of Sheffield. We started in 2000 when we built Q4 in St Vincent's, which became part of the residential district for students in Sheffield. And we very much saw the East End of Sheffield as being a place where people do business, but there was also the opportunity to live a lifestyle down here. So these fantastic facilities were interspersed with buildings that possibly needed a bit of TLC, and Spaces got involved with that by investment of making these buildings, bringing them back to life, and subsequently renting them out to all sorts of businesses. And this film, in a way, shows what Spaces have done over the last 25, 30 years, and what we're capable of doing in the future to help the future of Sheffield, and particularly Sheffield East End.
Since I was very young, I realized I never wanted to be human-sized. So I avoid the crowds and traffic jams. They just remind me of how small I am. Because of this longing in my heart, I'm going to start the growing art. Going to grow now and never stop. Think like a mountain, grow to the top. Concentration, my size increased, and now I'm 14 stories high, at least. Empire State Human, just a bored kid. Go to Egypt to be a pyramid.